Hi friends, welcome to our next video. In this video, we will understand compound interest. In this video, we will discuss 5 cases on compound interest. Case number 1, interest is compounded annually. Case 2, interest is compounded half yearly. Case 3, interest is compounded quarterly. Case 4, time is not exact number of years. Case 5, variable rates of interest. So let us first discuss Case 1, interest is compounded annually. To understand compound interest clearly, let us first understand the difference between simple interest and compound interest. Suppose I have taken a loan of 100 rupees from a bank, which is my principal, okay, at the rate 10%, okay, and time 1 year, okay. So what will be my interest after 1 year? In case of simple interest, 10% of 100 is rupees 10. So rupees 10 will be my simple interest. Okay. In case of compound interest, it is also 10% of 100. Okay. So it is also rupees 10. So after 1 year, the amount which I have to pay is 110 in case of simple interest, and in case of compound interest it is also 110. 100 plus 10 equal to 110. Now if I want to pay after 2 years, what will be my interest? Okay, so let us calculate after 2 years. So here you look, after 1 year simple interest will be calculated on 100 only. Okay, so 100 is my principal, but in case of compound interest 100 is not my principal. My principal will be my compounded amount, that means 110. Okay, so after 1 year, if the rate is 10%, my interest will be, my simple interest will be again 10, rupees 10, but my compound interest will be 10% of 110, that means rupees 11. So after 2 years, how much I have to pay? In case of simple interest, it is 10 plus 110, so it is 120. But in case of compound interest, what will be my compounded amount? After second year, it is 11 plus this 110, so 121. So here you look, in case of simple interest, always you have to calculate the interest on the principal only. Okay, but in case of compound interest, you have to calculate the interest on the compounded amount, okay, which will be my principal for second year. Now let us understand how to calculate simple interest and compound interest mathematically. In case of simple interest, we use the formula I equal to PRT by 100. I means interest, P means principal, R means rate, T means time. And in case of compound interest, we use the formula amount equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. Here A means amount, P means principal, R means rate, and n means time or number of years. Suppose somebody has taken a loan of rupees 100 from a bank and he need to pay an interest at the rate of 10%. So in case of simple interest, it will be I equal to 100 into R means 10, T means 1 after 1 year. After 1 year, he will pay amount A equal to 100 plus 10 equal to 110. In case of compound interest, amount equal to 100, 1 plus 10 by 100, n means 1, 1 plus 1 by 10, so this is 100 into 11 by 10, so it is also 110. So for 1 year, there is no difference between simple interest and compound interest. But if it is after 2 years, then let's see what will be the difference. So if the time is 2 years, Then for simple interest, T will be 2. So interest is 20. So amount is 100 plus 20. This is 120. In case of compound interest, N is 2. So this is equal to 121. Here you see, for the same time interval, compound interest is more than that of simple interest. So what is the basic difference between compound interest and simple interest is, compound interest is calculated interest upon interest, whereas simple interest is calculated only upon the principal. Understood? Now let us discuss case 1, interest is compounded annually. Let us take an example. Find the amount of 6,400 in 2 years at 25% per annum compound interest. So here given principal P equal to rupees 6,400, time N equal to 2, rate R equal to 25%. So by the formula of compound interest, amount A equal to P 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power N. Okay. P means 6,400, 1 plus R means 25% divided by 100 whole to the power 2, N means 2. Now you cancel. This is 1 by 4, so 1 plus 1 by 4 whole square. This is equal to 6,400 into 25 by 16. Now you cancel 400, so equal to 400 into 25. So this is equal to 10,000. So after 2 years, the amount of 6,400 will be 10,000. Now case number 2, interest is compounded half yearly or semi-annually. So let us take an example. Find the amount and compound interest of 50,000 in 1.5 years at 8% per annum compounded half yearly. Here you look, rate is given compounded per annum, that means it is compounding after 1 year. Okay, but we have to find half yearly. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to divide the rate by 2. It is 4%. So now our rate will be 4%. And what will be the time? The time is 1.5 years. 1.5 year means, you say, how many 6 months are there in 1.5 years? There are 3 6 months. So we will take 3, N equal to 3. Okay, and the remaining process is same. So amount equal to P, that means 50,000 into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power 3. We will not write 1.5, we will write 3 over here. Okay, equal to 50,000, and here 4 by 100 means 1 by 25. So 1 plus 1 by 25, it is 26 by 25 whole cube. So 50,000 into 26 into 26 into 26 divided by 25 into 25 into 25. Now you cancel. Equal to 26 into 26 into 26 into 80 equal to this, equal to 1. So this is the compounded amount after 1.5 years. Understood? Now we have to find out compound interest. So what will be our CI, compound interest, equal to compounded amount minus principal. So this minus 50,000 equal to 6,243.20. So this is our compound interest and this is our compounded amount. Understood? Now case number 3, interest is compounded quarterly. Let's take an example. Find the CI, that means compound interest, on 50,000 for 6 months at 12% PA, means per annum, compounded quarterly. Here you look, the rate is given compounded per annum, that means it will compound after 1 year, but we have to find quarterly. So what we have to do is, here our rate is 12 divided by 4. Why 4? Because quarterly means 3 months. Okay, in 12 months, how many 3 months are there? There are 4 3 months, so our rate is 3%. Okay, and what will be our time? Here is 6 months. Now you say, in 6 months, how many 3 months are there? There are 2 3 months, so we will take n equal to 2, and the remaining process is same, a equal to p into 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power 2. So this is equal to 50,000 into 103 into 103 divided by 100 divided by 100, 0 0 0 0 got cancelled. So 5 into 103 into 103, this is equal to 1. So our question is to find out only compound interest, not the amount. So what will be our CI? Equal to amount minus principal. Amount is 53,045 and principal is 50,000. So our CI is 3045 rupees. This is our answer. Understood? Now case number 4. Time is not exact number of years. Let us take an example. Find the amount of 6,000 in 2.5 years at 5% PA. Here you look, the number of year is 2.5 years, whereas it is given the rate is per annum, that means it is compounding annually. So how we can find it out? Here you look, principal is 6,000, time is 2.5 years, rate is 5%. So how we can find this out? If we use this formula, a equal to p 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power n, then since the time is a mixed fraction, how we can find this out? What we have to do is, for this 2 years we will take r equal to 5%, but for this half year we will take rate equal to 5 by 2%. Okay, a equal to p means 6,000, 1 plus r means 5 by 100, it is for 2 years, and for this half year we will take another bracket and we will write 1 plus 5 by 2, this rate divided by 100 whole to the power 1, because we are considering this half as semi-annually. Okay, and for semi-annually we have already understood that we have to divide the rate into 2 halves. Okay, so this is equal to 6,000 into 105 into 105 divided by 100 into 100 into 205 by 200. Now you cancel it, 0 0 0 0 0 0 equal to 2 3 is 6, 25 is 100, 41 5 is 205, 4 5 is 20, 21 5 is 105. So this is equal to 3 into 105 into 21 into 41 divided by 40. Okay, 6780. So our required amount is 6,780 rupees and 30 paisa approximately. Okay, now case number 5, variable rates of interest. Find the compound interest on rupees 80,000 for 3 years if the rates for the 3 years are 4%, 5% and 10% respectively. Okay, so what we have to do is, amount equal to principal into 1 plus r1 by 100 into 1 plus r2 by 100 into 1 plus r3 by 100. By this formula we can find out the amount. So this is equal to 80,000 1 plus 4 by 100, 1 plus 5 by 100 into 1 plus 10 by 100 equal to 80,000 into 104 by 100, 105 by 100, 110 by 100. Now you cancel. This is equal to 96096. So this is our compounded amount. Okay, but the question is to find out the compound interest. So compound interest is amount minus principal. So CI equal to A minus P, 96,096 minus 80,000, which is equal to 16,096. So this is our required answer. Understood? So friends, I hope you understood what is compound interest. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.